Hello friends and Disney fans. Today we are at Grand Floridian and we are going to be doing a full overview of this resort, from the rooms to the bus stop to the pools to the dining, all of that. So stick around. So let's get into it. Grand Floridian, guys, is the flagship Disney resort. This is going to be the top of the line. It is extremely close to Magic Kingdom, Epcot. It's in that prime location, and it has a kind of Victorian, elegant type of feel. If you are looking for something that is higher end, or even for like a wedding, or just to be close to the parks, this is a great option for your family vacation. But before we get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So if you are wanting to book your Disney vacation and have some help for completely free, make sure to contact me. All of my contact information is in the description below. And here is the absolute gorgeous lobby. Look at that. Check out the chandelier. Like, it's just huge. It goes up for days. What I love about the Grand Floridian is you're going to see tons of beautiful tile throughout the whole resort with characters on it. Let's go see what other ones we can find. Oh, and look at the little Mickey Mouse, so cute. Goofy right here. And right over here is the front desk with the amazing cast members who work here. And that's right in the main lobby here. And the fun thing I want to show you guys is right over here, there is a piano, and they have a person come in the evenings playing music, and it is absolutely lovely and gorgeous. This is one of the cutest things for little kids to come and just sit like and watch some Mickey tunes with chairs their size. So adorable. And that's lovely about this resort is in the evenings they will often have a PhotoPass photographer here and ready to take your pictures. So if you have Memory Maker, that is a great opportunity before you get out and get all sweaty at the parks to hop out and maybe get some pictures. And they also will have like props like Cinderella's shoe, you know, that you can take pictures with, and it's just super fun. We're coming up on M-Mouse Mercantile. So this is just a gift shop. We'll check it out though, but it's pretty much a standard, you know, Disney resort gift shop. Lots of things. It's pretty big in here. Oh my gosh, they have the Mary Poppins ears here. How adorable are those? Ooh, I really like this backpack. Look at the embroidery on it. That is cute. Right here we have Curious Clothers. So this is where you can find some more upscale options and Grand Floridian specific merchandise. So here's like a Grand Floridian towel. We have a lovely little tea set, a lounge fly. Then right here we have some Grand Floridian ears, which are super cute. The ears even say on the side Grand Floridian. And then here is Basin White. This is where you can get a lot of different Mickey-shaped soaps and stuff. There's bath bombs, scrubs, bath salts. Like, look at how cute that is. Let's go check out the soaps. Those are always my favorite. You can get 5 for $40. They have kind of Christmassy soaps. Halloween. Over here is the Bippity Boppity Boutique. It is actually closed right now because they are going to be doing refurbishments to the lobby at some point after Christmas. For here, we're coming up on Sandy Cove Gifts and Refreshments. This is a gift shop with just lots of little knickknacks, treasures, things you can buy. It also has, if you are staying on DVC, lots of different kind of food options, some bread, you know, crackers, pop, and even milk and cream like that. So that can be kind of handy if you're trying to save some money. You know, you can grab some snacks there. Check there before you order maybe on Instacart. So right behind me here, we have 1900 Park Fair. This is where you can meet Tiana and several different princesses. So it's a great little character breakfast for little ones. And then right over here, we have the Grand Floridian Cafe. That's right here. And they have a lot of different food at a moderate good price. They have a great breakfast. I love it there. here across from the lobby, we have the Garden View Lounge. Now this is closed right now because it's during the day. You know, it's more of a little lounge hangout area, so that's not available. Right over here, we have the monorail. You can clear security, go right to Magic Kingdom or Epcot. Okay, so over here is where they have the boat transportation, and you can see the dock right there. It's actually closed today though, but it's a quick boat ride. Okay, so here we are at the Courtyard Pool. This is kind of a quiet pool because it doesn't have a slide or anything, but it's really close to a lot of the buildings, so let's check it out. So it has this zero entry, which is great for little ones, and kind of like a little splash area there. And then over here is the deep end, and they have lots of seating, which is really nice, although I'm sure it fills up in the summertime and stuff. And I like these little pods that they have where you sit. They also have a little bar here where you can get cocktails and snacks. So this is the pool area with a lovely waterfall and zero entry pool, which is really nice for the little ones. There is a slide right there in the rocks, and there's also cabanas right there. So if you are wanting to rent a private cabana, you can get one of those too. I really like this pool better than the other one just because of the slide, but it just definitely is a lot more busier. So just something to keep in mind. But I bet your little ones, if you have little ones, like they'll want to hang out in this area, especially with the splash pad being next to it. This is the Mad Hatter little splash kind of area for kids, super cute. And we'll wait and see if the Mad Hatter hat fills up and splashes. They also have some chess out here, so that's kind of fun to play. This is the Curiouser and Curiouser little splash pad area. Over here we have a fire pit. Some evenings they're gonna have, fire, s'mores, games. Okay, so let's check out the Grand Floridian 2-queen room with a 5th sleeper. So this room fits up to 5 people, has 2 queens right there. And then we have the sleeper sofa, which is kind of like a small single bed. So it's not super huge. And as you can tell, there is touches of Mary Poppins all throughout the room, which is absolutely lovely. There's Cherry Tree Lane. And over here are some penguins in the pillow. And then Mary's umbrella on the lovely lamp. And up here, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there is penguins in the lights. The little glass is penguins, it's so cute. And then over here by the coffee bar, we have Mary and Bert and the kids representing. It looks lovely. So let's get into the logistics of the room. So first, bathroom. Have a lovely photo there and a double vanity sink, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have the bathroom. This one is a tub, so you can soak your feet after a long day at the parks. And as I mentioned, lovely vanity. Little fridge situation here. Kind of nice that you have like a little freezer on top. And then a dresser with a large TV. And we have the coffee bar. Let's see what's stocked with. Joffrey's coffee, of course. And then under here we have another fridge. See, I was wondering why we had this other fridge, because I hadn't seen this before. I wonder if somebody had a medical need and then this was in here to store their medicine and maybe Disney forgot to take it out. Possibly, because usually that isn't in there. That did throw me off. And then over here we have tons of storage. There actually is, if we open it up, because it's Grand Floridian, there is lovely bathrobes, so you can relax. And then over here is a safe, a steamer, and you have a blow dryer, which is absolutely lovely. And then also at the Grand Floridian is all the rooms have like a patio or a little deck. So we are on the first floor, so we have a patio that kind of looks at everyone. And it's nice to have like a little coffee in the morning just on here. So I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in a Grand Floridian vacation, this is the creme de la creme, the best you can get. And you can contact me. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. So if you are interested in working with me, completely free, you can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.